In this video, I am going to explain how to do the matrix operations in Casio FX 991 ES Plus. These are the syntaxes to the matrix operation. These are helpful in engineering mathematics, BSc mathematics, and we can save the time to find the determinant, inverse, eigenvalues, power of the given matrix. And also, we can verify the Cayley-Hamilton theorem very easily in regular and competitive examination. And also this video is very helpful to get the confidence for getting the accurate solution to the matrix related problem in engineering mathematics and other subject. These are the syntaxes to the matrix operations like A transpose equal to TRN of mat A. Trace of A directly should add the 5 plus 3 plus 1. For determinant of A, det of mat A cube mat A cube, A power 5 mat A square into mat A cube. Here x power symbol will not be work to find the power of the given matrix. A inverse equal to mat A inverse. A plus B equal to mat A plus mat B. A minus B equal to mat A minus mat B. A into B equal to mat A into mat B. Adjoint of A equal to det of mat A into mat A inverse. We know that A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Adjoint of A equal to det A into A inverse. According to that principle, I wrote adjoint of A equal to det of mat A into mat A inverse. First, all of you watch this video carefully and practice these problems along with me, then you can understand more and easily. Here first we have to upload these two matrices in the calculator. It is a procedure to upload the first matrix. First we have to press the mode button, then we have to choose the matrix option by pressing the button number 6. Then on the screen we get three different options: mat A, mat B, mat C. That means there we can store three matrices. Then we have to choose the matrix order. The order of the given matrix is here 3 by 3, so that there we have to choose the 3 by 3 order. Next we have to enter these elements there, then press the button AC, then this data will be stored on the mat A. Now I am pressing the first on button. Now I am pressing the mode button. On the screen we got the 8 different options. The 6th one is a matrix, so that I am pressing the button number 6. On the screen we got the 3 different options: mat A, mat B, mat C. That means we can store 3 different matrices on mat A, mat B and mat C. Now I want to store this matrix on the mat A, that is the serial number 1, so that I am pressing the button number 1. It asking the dimensions. The dimension of the given matrix is 3 by 3, so that I am choosing the 1. Suppose the given matrix is 3 by 2, then press 2. Suppose the given matrix is a 2 by 1, then press 6. The given matrix is a 3 by 3, that's why I am pressing the button number 1. Right. Now I want to upload these values in this calculator. First row element 502. First I am pressing the 5 and I am pressing the equal button, then the cursor goes to the next position. 0 equal. Now the cursor goes to the next position. 2 equal, 0 equal, 3 equal, 0 equal. The last row element 201. 2 equal, 0 equal, 1 equal. Now I enter the complete data in this calculator. First row element 502, second row element 030, last row element 201. Now I am pressing the button AC. Now this complete data is stored on the mat A. Now I want to upload the second matrix in the calculator. Or you want to upload the second matrix in the calculator, then you have to follow this procedure. First you have to press the shift, next button number 4. That means here shift button number 4. Then you have to choose the dimension and matrix. First we are choosing the dimension. For which matrix? Already we store the data on mat A. Now we are choosing the dimension for the mat B, so that I am pressing the button 2. Order of the second matrix is the 3 by 3, that's why I am pressing the button number 1. Now I am entering these values in the calculator. 5, 3, 2. 5, 3, 2. Next second row element is 1, 2, 6. 1 equal 2 equal 6 equal. Next row element 3, 5, 10. 3, 5, 10. I enter the data of B on the mat B. Now I am pressing the button AC. First, now I am verifying these values are correct or not. 5, 3, 2, 1, 2, 6, 3, 5, 10. Right, correct. Now I am pressing the button AC. Now this matrix is stored on mat B. Now I am checking this data is correct or not by pressing the shift and button number 4. Second one is the data. Here now I am checking the second matrix data. Here 5, 3, 2, 1, 2, 6, 3, 5, 10. Or you want to edit the data, just click the delete or press the button. Or you want the 2, then press 2 and equal here 2. But there the element is a 5. Now I am changing the first element as 5 here. I am pressing the 5. Okay, now I am pressing the button AC. Now it is stored there. Now I want to find the transpose of the given matrix. The syntax for A transpose is trn of mat A. So that I am going to the matrix operation by pressing the shift and button number 4. Transpose is 8th one, so that I am pressing the 8. On the screen we got the trn of mat A. Here we got the trn. We require the mat A there, so that once again I am going to the matrix operators by pressing the shift under button number 4. Third one is the mat A. trn of mat A equal to this is a transpose of the given matrix. First element 502 030 201 502 030 201. That means we got the transpose of the given matrix is same. That means here A transpose equals to A transpose equal to A here. That means A is the symmetric matrix here. Now I want to find the trace of the given matrix. Trace of the given matrix is sum of the principal diagonal elements 5 plus 3 plus 1. We have known the syntax for the trace of A in the calculator, so that normally we are adding the 5 plus 3 plus 1. 5 plus 3 plus 1. 9. Trace of A is 9. Now I am going to find the determinant of A. So that first I am pressing the on here. Now here we want to type det of mat A in the calculator. So that I am going to the operation mode by pressing the shift under button number 4. We want the det. 7th one is the det. 7 det of mat A. Once again I am pressing the shift under button number 4. 3 det of mat A equal to determinant of A is a 3. Or you want to find the determinant of the second matrix, then just you should edit by clicking the delete option there. Delete. Right. I am going to the operation mode by pressing the shift under button number 4. Fourth one is a mat B. Det of mat B, not required to close the open bracket here. Directly press the equal. Then we get the determinant of the second matrix. The determinant of B is minus 28. Now I am pressing the on button. Now I want to find the A cube. The syntax for A cube is mat A cube. So that I am pressing the shift matrix 4. That means I am going to the matrix operation mode by pressing the shift and button number 4. What we want here? A cube. That means mat A cube. 3. Here we have the x cube symbol, shift x cube. Or you want the x square, just press the x square. I mean mat A square, then press the x square. Mat A cube equal to. These are the elements of A cube. 169, 0, 70 and so on. Next, I am finding the A to the power 5. The syntax for A to the power 5 should write like mat A square into mat A cube, mat A into mat A into mat A 5 times, otherwise mat A cube into mat A square, otherwise mat A square into mat A square into mat A. Now I am typing the mat A square into mat A cube in the calculator, shift 3 x square mat A square. Now once again I am going to the matrix operation mode by pressing the shift under button number 4. 3 mat A square into mat A cube, shift mat A square into mat A cube. Bases are the same, so that we can add the powers. That means mat A to the power 5. Now I am pressing the equal. These are the elements of A to the power 5. Now we are finding the elements of A inverse. The syntax for A inverse is mat A inverse. In this calculator I am typing the mat A inverse. Now I am going to the matrix operation by pressing the shift and button number 4. Third one is a mat A, x inverse, mat A inverse. On the screen we got the mat A inverse. Now I am pressing the equal. Here these are the elements of A inverse. But we got the values in the fraction. You know A inverse equal 1 by determinant of A into 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. 3 by 3 is a 1, right? Correct. 0 by 3 is a 0. Middle element 1 by 3, that is a 0.333. So we got the correct values. But suppose or you want to look like this, just should multiply 3 to this one. Just I am multiplying with into operator. 3 equal 3 0 minus 6, 1 by 3 into 3 0 minus 6, 0 1 0 minus 6 0 15. We got the same values and in the integer form. Now I am going to add the two matrices A plus B and A minus B. Now I am pressing the shift and button number 4. We want the mat A plus mat B. Third one is the mat A plus shift mat B, mat A plus mat B equal to here 10, 3, 4 and so on. 5 plus 1, 5 is 10, 0 plus 3 is 3, 2 plus 2 is 4 and so on. We got the correct values in the calculator. Now I am pressing the on button. Now we want the values of A minus B. The syntax for A minus B is mat A minus mat B. Now I am going to the matrix operation mode by pressing the shift and button number 4. Third one is a mat A. We require the minus mat A minus mat B, shift matrix 4 mat A minus mat B equal. These are the elements of A minus B. 5 minus 5 is a 0, 0 minus 3 is a minus 3 and so on. We got the correct values. Next, A into B. Now we have to multiply the A into B. The syntax for A into B is a mat A into mat B. Now I am going to the matrix operation by pressing the shift and button number 4. Third one is the mat A. Once again I am going to the matrix operation mode. Fourth one is the mat B. Mat A into mat B equal to 31, 25 and so on. These are the elements of A into B. Now I am finding the elements of the adjoint of A. Here we have this syntax, det of mat A into mat A inverse. You know determinant of A is a 3. 3 into you can write the mat A inverse. Otherwise you can write on the screen like det of mat A into mat A inverse. Now I am going to the matrix operation mode. Here 7th one is the det. Once again I am pressing the shift and button number 4. Det of mat A into mat A inverse. Once again I am going to the matrix operation mode. 3. On the screen we got the det of mat A into mat A. We require A inverse, mat A inverse equal to. These are the elements of the adjoint of A, 3, 0, minus 6 and so on. Okay, all of you know the general things. If A and B are matrices of the same order, then we can add the A and B and we can subtract the A and B. If the matrices are the not same order, then we cannot add the A plus B. I mean, we cannot add A and B, and we cannot subtract the A and B. The matrices have the same order, then we can add and subtract. Suppose in this calculator, mat A and mat B are the different orders, then mat A plus mat B give the error in the calculator. Similarly, mat A minus mat B give the error in this calculator. All of you know determinant of A is associated with a square matrix. The given matrix is a square matrix, then we can able to find the determinant. The given matrix is a not square matrix, then we cannot able to find the determinant. Mat A is a not square matrix, then det of mat A gives the error in this calculator. If A is a non-singular, then A inverse exists. A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Det A not equal to 0. Suppose in the calculator mat A is a singular, then mat A inverse give the math error in the calculator. In this calculator, we cannot do the matrix operations for more than 3 by 3 matrices. That means we cannot do the matrix operation for the higher order matrices. Here we store the two matrices in the calculator. We can clear the data by using this procedure. First you press the shift, clear button number 9. On the screen we get these options: clear, setup, memory, all. Then press the button number 3. Then we get these options on the screen. Then press the reset all by clicking the AC. Then we get reset all on the screen. Press AC button. Then the data will be clear. Okay, now I am pressing the first here shift. Here 9th button is clear. On the screen we got the setup, memory, all. Press the button number 3. On the screen we got the reset all, yes, equal, cancel, AC. We want the clear the data, that's why I am pressing the equal. Next, reset all, press AC. Now the data is cleared in the calculator. Thank you.